SolidWorks is really more in depth than just what you see on the surface. There is so much built into the program that people, I guess, may not ever use, but some really cool stuff. When you have an assembly, let's see, you can click Bill of Materials, click OK, and it automatically generates a table for you, a bill of materials of the parts that are comprised in the assembly. Now here we only have 3 parts, so it's not that big of a deal, but if you had a larger assembly of anything really, this comes in handy. It's already made for you. Another cool feature is under the Evaluate tab. Of course you have the mass properties, which you had with regular parts, but you also have an assembly expert. It gives you a little bit more information on what you have in here. 3 number of parts. It'll tell you how many parts you have, how many mates you have in the entire document. Some pretty cool information. Now if you were to go back to the part itself, let's go back to this hinge. I already have it open. And we click on Sustainability. Because I selected the material as brass, and according to the process of manufacturing, extrusion, I'm not exactly sure which one this would fall under, but let's just say extrusion. It'll tell you the environmental impact of using brass to make this part. It will update if you change the part. Let's say we want to make one out of copper. All of our information will update and give you an environmental impact of making this part. And you can select a different country in which, I'm not sure if that exactly changes anything. Let's see. Well, apparently it does. But this just shows there's a lot more than what meets the eye on this surface of SolidWorks.